Wear a face shield. A full face shield is required to protect from splashes or flying debris, used in grinding, cutting, or chemical handling areas. Wear head protection. A safety helmet must be worn to prevent head injuries. Falling objects or low-clearance hazards may be present. Wear high-visibility clothing. High-visibility gear is required so others can easily see you, needed in traffic zones, warehouses, or dimly lit areas. Wear a mask sign. A protective mask must be worn to avoid inhaling harmful particles, used in dusty, hazardous, or medical areas. Wear respiratory protection. A respirator is required for toxic fumes, vapors, or fine dust. Only enter with proper filtered or supplied air equipment. Wear a safety harness. A fall protection harness must be used when working at height. Attach it to an approved anchor point before starting work.